I don't have some words to appreciate the great effort of my teacher, actually the decorum of the assembly. Just look at the discipline, just look at the activeness of the students, that how they are prepared for the assembly, they are prepared by their class teacher for the assembly. I don't have the words. Anyway, a lot of class, a lot of appreciation.